first exercise is jump, twist and pop, and it looks like this. You're gonna start with your football in your hands. Now jump and twist, put the ball down, jump in front of it, touch it with your bum, jump behind it, grab it and jump and twist. And keep going. You should try for maximum reps. So the second exercise in this workout are reversed push-ups. So you're gonna grab the handles, get into the starting position, which means that your body is in one straight line from your knees to your shoulders. Now you're gonna pull yourself up as far as you can and down. And if you cannot pull yourself all the way up, then try at least a little bit. This counts as well. And you know, over time, when you're gonna be doing this exercise with us in the workouts on a regular basis, you're gonna eventually get strong enough to pull yourself all the way up, and you're gonna do like million reps. Don't worry about it. You just have to start somewhere. So even just tensing your muscles by holding this position counts. Is if that's all you can do, and if you can do just little pulls like this, it all counts. Just don't give up, and just give it a try. Throw it over your shoulder. Now grab this handle and you're gonna be lunging sideways towards the other side. So I have it on this shoulder, you're lunging towards the other side. So lunge sideways and twist and go back. And you're gonna keep lunging towards the same side. Make sure that you're not bending over. Keep your upper body straight up. So when you lunge, your upper body is straight up, and then you just twist and back, and you have to really keep your core tight, your abs tight, your obliques tight. Now for the second interval, you're gonna switch the sides, which means that you're gonna throw the sandbag on the other shoulder and you're gonna be lunging towards the opposite side. Plank jack, and I'm using my ball again. So your elbows on the ball, you get into the plank and you're gonna be jumping your feet apart and together and apart and together, and make sure that you're keeping your abs tight, super tight. Now if you're a complete beginner, then you're gonna go into the plank and you're gonna be doing these steps. Step sideways, step your feet together. If you don't have the ball, you can still do this exercise without it.
Push it.
One arm push-up. So get into the plank, do a push-up, jump your feet forward, move the ball. You're gonna do the push-up on the other arm, jump your feet forward, and you're gonna be going back and forth like this. The beginners are gonna need exercise mat because you guys are gonna be doing the push-ups off of your knees. So do a push-up. Now get into plank. You can jump or step forward. That's up to you. Move the ball. Hand on the ground, one hand on the ball. Step into the plank. Again, knees on the exercise mat. Do a push-up, and you're gonna be going like this. And to complete the last exercise in this entire workout are jump lunges. So hold the ball in front of you, get into the lunge. Now you're gonna jump and switch legs. So what's important is that you're not rounding your back, you're not shrugging your shoulders. Keep your shoulders away from your ears. Chest up, abs tight, and jump. Beginners are gonna be doing backward lunges. So hold the ball in front of you. Again, everything's tight, and you're gonna be stepping backwards. Now switch the legs. So this was our workout for today. I have the entire workout explained on our site BodyRock.tv. It's all there for you, including the workout breakdown and all instructions, so you can try this workout at home and you can get in shape at home with us. So don't forget to share your scores. I'm gonna be sharing my scores on the site so that you can try to compete with me. That's it. I'll see you next time. Ciao.